Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a website for handyman business. The platform that I will be using is Wix. The reason why I recommend Wix website builder is you can get started for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up, and it is also beginner friendly. So the first thing you're going to do is go on to wix.com and you can create an account using your email address. Once you have created your account, you're going to tap on create new site. Then I want you to tap on create on Wix editor. After selecting create on Wix editor, we are going to tap on set up without AI, as we want to compose our website or customize our website to our own liking. Then you are going to tap on the search bar right here and you can simply type in Handyman. Then you can select Handyman right there. Then tap on next. After you have done that, you can see Wix is preparing your dashboard. On this dashboard, I will be showing you how to add your business name, also how to add your opening hours, how to edit the different services that you will be offering, and also how to set your prices, and also how to set up the different payment methods that you can offer to your clients. So first, you can enter your business name right there. So you could enter your business name. You can also add your business address. Then tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. From here, you can set up the different opening hours. So you can see we will open our business for 5 days per week from Monday to Friday. And we will be opening our business from 8 a.m. So I will carry it to 8 a.m. to 5:30. So we will be closing at 5:30. So let's do that. Then tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. From here, you can see some typical services that is provided by a handyman. So for example, consultation. And if you'd like to also do online meeting, you can do that. And you can scroll down and we'll also be doing in-person appointment and home visits. So you can scroll down, you can select the different services. And if you don't see a service that you would like to offer, you can simply tap on create new service, enter the service name, then tap on save. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on next. Then from here, you can add your staff member's name and you can also add their email address. Then tap on next once more. Will you be accepting payments online? If so, you can select that. We will also be accepting payments in person. And if you want to send out automated reminders, you can also do that. So this basically means that, for example, when someone schedules you for a set time, if you have selected send automated emails and SMS reminders, they will receive that reminder when it is near time for you to come and visit them. So I do recommend that you tap on that if you plan on offering that feature. But keep in mind, to access the full business features on Wix, you will need to go onto their paid plan. But their paid plan starts off at $12 per month, so it is definitely a good investment. As remember that we are doing this for our business and we want it to look professional and operate professional. And the money that you would be paying for someone to create a website, you can save it definitely by watching this tutorial and applying the features or the things that I'm showing you. So you're going to tap on next. Then you're going to tap on continue to dashboard. Once you have selected continue to dashboard, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. On that, I'll be showing you how to set up the payment methods. I will also be showing you how to edit the prices that you want to offer for the services. So let's go over to the left hand menu option, tap on booking services. Then from here, you're on the service page at the moment. If you would like to add a new service, you can tap on add a new service in the top right hand corner. But since we want to edit the service price that we have added thus far, so let's say for example for home visit, we'll tap on edit. Then after you have selected edit, you can change the cover photo for this particular service by simply tapping on the X to remove it And then after removing it, you could tap on the plus. Then from the pop-up, you could tap on upload and upload your own image, or we can type in something right here. So let's say, for example, Handyman, then tap on enter, and we can see the images that Wix have right here. So let's say, for example, I'd like to add this image as the cover image. I can tap on add to page, then scroll down, and you can change the duration. Then after doing that, you can also set your price right here. So let's say, for example, the price is $100 per hour. Then we'll tap on save in the top right hand corner. And you can continue doing this for all of the services that you have added or that you would like to offer. And another thing that I would like you to pay attention to, Another thing that I'd like you to pay attention to is the booking calendar in the top left hand corner right here. Right below booking services, you could select calendar, and from there you will be able to see all of your scheduled booking. Now, to accept payments, you will need to activate the payment method. So you're going to hover over billing and payments, then tap on payments. Once on the payments page, you're going to tap on manage payment methods, and we're going to be adding PayPal to our website. You can also add different payment options depending on the country you're located in. So we can add TiloPay and PayPal. Keep in mind that I'm currently located in Jamaica. If I would like to change it, so let's say you're watching this tutorial in the United Kingdom or United States, you could simply tap on change. Then from there, you could type in the country name, and the payment methods or options will vary. So if I were to select United States and tap on choose, you can see that I now have access to the Wix payment method, which will allow me to accept Apple Pay, Google Pay, and so much more. And by scrolling down and selecting see more payment option, you can accept AAA, Afterpay, Klarna, and so much more. And if I were to tap on it once more in the top right hand corner, and let's say, for example, select United Kingdom and tap on choose, you will see that I'm also again provided with a different set of payment options, as you can see right here. So you now have paid by bank and bank connect and so on. So you can see right there. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do now is go over to the left hand menu option, tap on setup. After selecting setup, I want you to go over to the top right hand corner, tap on design site. Once you have selected design site, we're going to tap on pick a template. From here, you can see the different templates that they provide you with. And this is one of the standout features that I love with Wix, as with these templates, even as a complete beginner, you'll be able to create a professional looking and operational website. So let's select edit, then give it a few seconds while the AI composes our website in the background. Once here, you can tap in the box and you could provide the AI with some information that you would like to use to create content. Then you could tap on generate site text. But for the sake of saving time, I'll tap on the X to close out of that. Then you're going to tap on the plus in the top right hand corner. After tapping on the plus, at the moment you can see how our website looks, as you can see right here. This is how it looks at the moment. It does look professional. And to edit it, let's say you would like to change the name, you can simply hover over the header section, then tap on quick edit. By selecting quick edit, from here you can change, for example, the name. You can also change the number by tapping right there, and it is as easy as that to edit anything on your website. So if you would like to change the image here, you could simply tap on it, then select change image. You can also change the title, you can change the button text, you can change the vector art, anything at all that you would like to edit. It is simply hover over it with your mouse, and then you'll be able to change it. And if it is a case that you would like to add something to your website that you don't see, let's say text or video, you could tap on add elements in the top left hand corner right where you see the plus. Then from there you can drag and place a text box. You can also add images, you can add buttons, you can add anything you want. You will find it in this section. Now, to view and edit the other pages on your website, you're going to tap on home in the top left hand corner. So let's say we wanted to edit the services page. We could tap on services and you can see the different services that we provide. So you can see them right there, and you'll be able to edit the service page again by simply hovering over it and selecting quick edit. And to save your website after you're finished, you could tap on save in the top right hand corner, then select publish for your website to go live. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.